Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about the keyboard settings of your device Xiaomi POCO M5s. So if you want to learn about the keyboard settings of your device Xiaomi POCO M5s, you have to follow the few steps which I'll be telling you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn all about the keyboard settings of your device.